Hello friends and welcome all of you on YouTube channel English and You. Friends, in this video we are going to see the syllabus of NET exam paper first. UGC University Grants Commission conducts the NET exam, and in this exam there are two papers, paper first and paper second. Paper second, it is of our post graduation subject, and paper first, it is common to all of the students. So paper first, general paper on teaching and research aptitude, it is common. The main objective is to assess the teaching and research capabilities of the candidates. They are expected to possess and exhibit cognitive abilities, and cognitive abilities include comprehension, analysis, evaluation, understanding the structure of arguments, and deductive and inductive reasoning. So this is all about paper first, and they should be aware of interaction between people, environment, and natural resources and their impact on quality of life. So in this paper first, there are 10 sections, and each section has 5 questions. So let's see these 10 sections and subunits of each and every section. So first unit, it is related to teaching aptitude. So for teacher, teaching aptitude is the most important element. So concept of teaching, as well as its objectives, characteristics, and basic requirements. This is the subunit, as well as learner's characteristics. Learner is the most important element in teaching and learning process. So the characteristics of learners are there, as well as various types of factors which affect teaching, methods of teaching, teaching aids, audiovisual aids, as well as various types of evaluation system or methods of evaluation will be there under this first section. Second section, it is related to research. So it is research aptitude. Under it, the meaning of research, as well as characteristics and types of research, steps of research, various types of methods, research ethics, as well as how to write research paper, what is the difference between workshop and seminar and conference, as well as research article, etc. Thesis writing, its characteristics and format. Third section, it is related to passage. It is reading comprehension. So under it, the passage will be asked, and there will be questions on the basis of that passage, and you have to answer in the examination. Fourth unit, it is very common and important, that is communication. Communication, its nature, characteristics or features of communication, types, barriers, and effective classroom communication. So for student and for teacher, this is very important. Fifth unit, that is reasoning, including mathematical reasoning. So in this reasoning, number series, letter series, codes, relationships, classifications, etc. are the elements. Sixth one, it is also related to reasoning, but it is logical reasoning. In it, understanding the structure of arguments, evaluating and distinguishing deductive and inductive reasoning, as well as verbal analogies, word analogy, applied analogy, verbal classification is also there, and reasoning, logical diagrams, simple diagrammatic relationship, multi-diagrammatic relationship, etc. are there. And the other is very simple and easy concept, which you might have already known, that is Venn diagram and analytical reasoning. So Venn diagrams are also there. There will be questions on the basis of these diagrams. Unit number 7, data interpretation. So while teaching, for teacher, he must be the knowledge of data interpretation. So various types of sources, acquisition and interpretation of data, as well as difference between quantitative and qualitative data, graphical representation and mapping of data are there under this unit. Unit number 8, it is common and very easy one, it is information and communication technology, that is ICT. So what is the meaning of ICT? Advantages as well as disadvantages of ICT and its uses, general abbreviations and terminologies in ICT, internet, email. These are very basic one, and these basics of internet and emailing will be also there in this paper. Unit number 9, people and environment. Interactions between people and environment, sources of pollution, pollutants and their impact on human life, exploitation of natural and energy resources, natural hazards and mitigation. So this is all about people and environment, unit number 9. Now the next and the last unit, it is related to higher education system. It is unit number 10th, higher education system, governance, polity and administration. So it is directly related to higher education system, because as a teacher he must have knowledge of this education system. So structure of the institution for higher learning and research in India, formal and distance education, professional or technical and general education, value education, governance, polity and administration, concept, institutions and their interactions. So friends, this is all about syllabus of paper first UGC NET exam. And as I already told you, that paper second will be of the subject which you have opted or passed out for your post graduation. So friends, let's meet in the next video. Till then, thank you.